Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. An absolutely stunning car as a new arrival today. This is a 2022 BMW X4. It's the M40d and it's the Pro Edition. Now this is finished in a factory special paintwork and it's called the Frozen Grey Metallic, and it's complemented with a full black leather interior. We'll show you a little bit around this. The car has only covered 12,024 miles and it comes with an incredible specification. Let's go through some of the stuff on the exterior first. For parking aids, we do have the front sensors and the rear sensors and also a rear parking camera. We've got a power tailgate and we've got 21-inch black and silver alloys with the red brake calipers nestling behind there. Privacy glass, and I'll just come on through and show you a couple of things here. We've got the carbon fibre wing mirrors and also a carbon fibre rear spoiler. Inside, got a beautiful ambient lighting system, 2-stage driver electric memory seat, Harmon Kardon sound system making your music nice and crisp. Got heated front seats and automatic lights and wipers, cruise control, satellite navigation, heads-up display, DAB digital radio, and the virtual cockpit, so you can have your satellite navigation behind your steering wheel on that instrument panel there. Got climate control and keyless entry and start. I think the most special thing really about this car and what really sets it off is this beautiful paintwork. One thing I forgot to mention there is the BMW individual laser LED headlights as well. Absolutely stunning car to look at and even better to drive. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. We're on hand to answer any questions you may have. We also work with a panel of lenders for any financial requirements, so don't be afraid to pick up the phone and give us a call. Thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure to show you this amazing vehicle.